Let Garmin get you started with your Garmin Drive 53 and Live Traffic Navigator. Your Garmin Drive 53 device will come with a vehicle suction cup mount, vehicle power cable, and USB cable. Let's begin by going over the Garmin Drive 53 device hardware. The power button is located in the upper right-hand corner on the back of the device and is indicated by the power symbol. This is used for powering the device on and off. On the bottom of the device is the USB port, which is used for connecting to a power outlet in the vehicle with the included vehicle power cable. This port is also used for connecting to a computer or AC adapter. Your micro SD card can be inserted into the slot on the bottom of the device. Using a micro SD card will provide additional storage space for maps and other data. The Garmin Drive 53 supports a micro SD card between 4 GB and 256 GB. Now that we have covered the hardware basics, let's go over mounting and powering the device. Determine where you would like to mount the device on the windshield. Clean the area with rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. It is your responsibility to ensure the mounting location complies with all applicable laws and ordinances and does not block your view of the road during the safe operation of your vehicle. Press the suction cup to the windshield and flip the lever back to the windshield to secure it. Then press the mount onto the suction cup ball until it snaps into place. Next, plug the vehicle power cable into the USB port on the device. Then plug the other end of the vehicle power cable into a power outlet in your vehicle. Fit the tab on the top of the mount into the slot on the back of the device. Press the bottom of the mount into the device until it clicks. We are now ready to begin the initial setup of the device. Choose your locale and select OK. Read and accept the End User License Agreement. You can connect to the Garmin Drive smartphone app to access additional features, including live traffic updates, weather, and sending locations to your device. Select Connect Now and follow the on-screen steps to pair your compatible smartphone. Next, you can connect to an available Wi-Fi network. Select the network you would like to connect to. If necessary, enter a password and select Done. You will be asked for your consent to Garmin collecting, using, and sharing your device data. Select either Yes or No. Select Email address and enter your email to register your device. Select Offers and Promotions if you want to receive promotional emails from Garmin. Read and agree to the warning. With the European version of this device, you can add a vehicle profile for the environmental zone settings specific to your vehicle, such as fuel type and emission standards. Your Garmin Drive 53 device can then help you avoid areas with environmental or emissions restrictions that may apply to your vehicle. Choose your fuel type and select Next. Then, select your first registration year. Next, select an emission standards option. You can now add any emission badges for your vehicle. Select a country. Then, choose a badge and select Save. Select Next once you have added your emission badges to complete your environmental zones profile. The initial setup has now been completed. If necessary, go to an open area with a clear view of the sky to acquire satellite GPS signals. Next, let's check for available updates to your device. You can use a computer in the Garmin Express software if necessary, but the Wi-Fi option requires fewer steps. To successfully complete a Wi-Fi update, a wireless connection to home high-speed internet is required. It is important to avoid using a mobile hotspot. Check out our Wi-Fi connections video for tips to ensure your Wi-Fi update is successful. From the main screen, select Settings. Then select Updates. Your device will automatically search for available map and software updates. A blue download arrow indicates an update is available. A green check mark indicates it is up to date. Select Install All to start all available updates. Read the important installation notes and select Start. If you have not connected your device to a power source, you will now be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen prompts. These updates will take an extended period of time. You will not be able to use your device during the update. Once the update has finished downloading, wait for the device to restart. Your Garmin Drive 53 Navigator is now ready to use. Lastly, let's find a location on your Garmin Drive 53. The maps loaded in your device contain locations such as restaurants, hotels, auto services, and detailed street information. The Where To menu helps you find your destination by providing several methods to browse, search, and save this information. You can use the search bar to search for locations by entering a category, brand name, address, or city name. In this video, we will search for a location by name. Then, select Go to begin navigation. You will be given the option to save travel history. Select either Yes or No. Your device will start calculating a route and begin speaking directions.
Turn right onto Devonshire Road, then take the second left.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.